Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can extract frames from videos. First you can go to perl.g, download video frames filter, or you can use link in the video description. After you do that, you can just install the app and open it up. Now we can drag and drop any video in here. Set mode to interval, scene change on motion. We can set the interval to extract every 30 frames or frame every second, etc. You can choose the output format, for instance PNG. You can also skip black frames or near duplicates. After you are happy with the settings, just set output folder and start processing. It will take some time and you just gotta wait for it. After it gets to 100%, it will say done, so we can close this down and check the results. Open up this folder, and as you can see, we have all the frames here. If this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.